Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we will do the grammar topic. The name of the topic is words likely to be confused. Now in this chapter we will discuss some words, two words which are identical in pronunciation but the spellings are different and also the meaning is also different. But sometimes when we see or hear these words, we are confused how to use it, right? So today we will discuss in this chapter how to use these confusing words. Chapter number 24 in your grammar book is words likely to be confused. Now see here, he has curly hair, H-A-I-R, hair. A hare has long ears. Now here the spelling of hare is H-A-R-E. Now H-A-R-E here is an animal, and here you all know, right? So in pronunciation, when we speak these words, these seems like, right? These seems alike, सेम लगते हैं ये, right? But अगर हम spellings देखें, if we see the spellings are different and also the meaning is different. So these words make us confuse how to use it in sentences. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss these confusing words. Now let us see. Tale, T-A-L-E, tale is short story, and tale you all know. For example, monkey's tail, right? Monkey has a tail. Mummy has told us an interesting tale. Monkey has a long tail. Through and through. She is looking through the window. वो विंडो से देख रही है. Here we will use through. The naughty boy threw a stone at the dog. Threw फेंकना. Naughty boy ने dog पर stone फेंका. Now here in the exercise they have given two words which are identical, which are same in pronunciation but different in spellings and meaning. Can you dash what he says? क्या तुमने dash जो उसने कहा, right? तो obviously जो किसी ने कहा है वो आप सुनोगे, right? So the right word is hear, H-E-A-R, hear. Here, H-E-R-E is यहाँ. Here means H-E-R-E, here means यहाँ. H-E-A-R means सुनना. Cold wind dash at night. Blue means चलना, blue means color. So we will use blue, B-L-E-W. You are dash to go. You are allowed. Allowed means किसी को permission देना. Allowed means जोर से बोलना. Allowed, A-L-L-O-W-E-D. The tiger killed a dash. The tiger killed a deer, D-E-E-R, animal, D-E-A-R. जैसे हम यूज़ करते हैं dear father, dear mother, okay? So the right word is deer, D-E-E-R. The dash is very hot today. Weather, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, W-H-E-T-H-E-R. This weather is जब हम कंडीशन कुछ शो करनी होती है सेंटेंस में, वेदर यू विल लाइक टू कम टू माई होम और नॉट, ऐसे कंडीशन में हमने बात करनी होती है, देन वी यूज़ First weather. Okay, here we will use weather, WEATHER. Sixth sentence is my dash is 52 kg. Now they are talking about weight, WEIGHT, weight. WAIT, वेट मीन्स किसी का वेट करना, इंतज़ार करना. I have read the dash book, WHOLE, whole means sari, HOLE means छेद. Would you like another dash of cake? Dash of cake, piece of cake, PIECE. Piece means टुकड़ा. Piece, PEACE means Shanti. First piece Shanti, second piece a small piece. Who is the dash of the dash of the school? First, this principal is PRINCIPLE. Principal means Siddhant. The base. This principal is the base, Siddhant. Principal, PRINCIPAL. This is the head of the institution, principal. This shirt is dash, so I don't like it. Loose, LOOSE, loose. LOSE, loose means गुम जाना. Now one more exercise they have given. Now here they have used wrong words. यहाँ पे उन्होंने wrong words use किए हैं. हमने identify करने हैं which are the wrong words, and in the blank we will write the correct word. First, where did you buy this bag? BY, buy they have written, which is wrong. The correct word is buy, BUY. Second sentence is he has bought a new car, KNEW, new. This is wrong word. The right word is new, NEW. She has long hair. Now here the spellings are HAIR. HARARE means the animal, the rabbit. If the vase falls down, it will break. Now here the spelling of break is wrong. The right spellings are BREAK. This brake is the car's brake. Okay, a vehicle's brake. I often lose my keys. Now here lose, LOSE, gum jana. LOSE, lose, gum jana. LOOSE, lose is wrong here. Okay. I have a pain in my right leg. Now here right, WRIT, right is WRIT, right is likhna. Okay, to write something. The right word is RIGHT. Seventh, India wants to be at peace with other country. Peace, a small piece of something, right? The correct word here we have to use is peace, PEACE. Herd, HERD, herd. Here I heard about it yesterday. Now here they have used herd, HERD. This herd is group of animal. We have to use here herd, HEARD. Okay. This herd is sunna, to listen. He threw a stone at the window. Now This through is not suitable here. Here we will use this, THREW, through. There is a hole in the sock, I must mend it. Now in the socks we will not use this hole. This hole means complete, Sara, okay? And this hole, HOLE, means some small space, okay? किसी चीज़ में छोटा सा छेद हो जाना, that is a hole, HOLE, okay? So with this, this chapter is complete. In this chapter we have learned so many words which are confusing, which have same pronunciation but the spellings and meanings are different, and how to use all these words in the sentences we have learned in this chapter, right? I hope you all have understood. Now you all will complete this chapter in your grammar book with the help of this video. So this is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.